now we are going to be making our very own frogs. So these frogs don't really have big mouths, but they do like to boing. So here is what you need to make this project. It's very easy, really. All you need is an index card. And then if you want to decorate it, you can use some different decorations. I have some eyeballs, I have some pom-poms, and then I have glue for my decorations and some markers if we want to get fancy. We're going to start with our index card. So I'm going to put it in front of me and I'm going to fold one corner. So you're just going to do this. Fold one corner down like that. Okay? And then unfold it. Now we're going to fold the other corner down the same way. There we go. So we have made an X. Can you see that X right there? Okay. Now I'm going to take my card and turn it over. Now right where the X crosses, right there, I'm going to fold this in half, right at that spot. Okay, and now I'm gonna turn it over again because watch this. Now I can push these corners in like that and push this top down like that. And so we should have a triangle. Does yours look like that? Okay, now I'm going to take one side. See how this is kind of, there's a triangle here like that? I'm going to bend that triangle up. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to bend that triangle up. That's what it should look like. Now I'm going to take these sides and fold them in to the middle. Here we go. I'm going to turn this around. And I'm going to, you can fold it into the middle and you can match up this side with this side. So it goes like that. I'll do the same thing on the other side. And if it's not exactly straight, it doesn't really matter. Mine aren't exactly straight or even, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna give my frog some little feet, so I'm just gonna bend these little corners right there. And we're almost done. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this bottom part and I'm gonna fold it up to these little points right over here. Fold it up. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna fold it back the other way again. Like that. And that's it. Watch. I'm gonna flip it over and I have a frog, and watch this. If I did it right, it's gonna jump. Woo! Sometimes it jumps all the way. That one just likes to land on its back. Oh, and I can give it some eyeballs over here. So if you have a marker, you can just draw on some eyeballs. Or, there we go, a little cockeye. Or you can glue some on, some little embellishments. We'll just use a little bit of glue, but you don't have to do this. It's up to you. You can color it in, you can decorate it however you want.
But wait a second, I forgot. I said that I like calling these origami, jumping, story frogs. And that's because you're gonna start with this lovely index card. Now again, these are the bright, colorful ones. You might be able to find these. If you don't have colorful ones, that's okay. You can just use a white one like this, that works too. But I said these are story frogs. So what you can do before you fold up your frog, you can take a pen or a pencil and you can write a story on your index card. So right on your card, you can write, once upon a time, there was a frog. Anyway, you can keep going and going and going and write your story. I'm not gonna write the whole story right now, but once again, let's do it one more time. You're gonna fold
We'll do supersonic speed up here. Here we go, fold and fold. Now, you could write a bunch of stories and a bunch of frogs and make them up with your friends, and you could send your frogs to each other and read your stories. Now, before we're done, I'm gonna show you one more thing in case you don't have any index cards around, because sometimes we don't have index cards. You can just use cardstock or ordinary paper. I'm gonna use some colored construction paper, but you can even use white paper. It's going to work with this as well, I think. Let's give it a try and see. So once again, same idea. Woo! My giant frog! So you can make them out of paper. Let's see if it's gonna jump. It's gonna jump a little bit. So you guys can tell your own story. Make your own frogs because you are now official storyologists. You have to go on adventures collecting, telling, and writing stories. And remember, when you create, every day is an adventure.
Hit like and subscribe for more crafts and stories.
Whoa.